Guys, did you know a simple 5-minute conversation with your credit card issuer like a Discover could potentially save you thousands of dollars in interest? On today's episode, let's talk about how you can unlock a 0% APR offer from Discover just by asking, which literally takes no more than 5 minutes. We're going to talk about that on today's episode. So guys, peace. Welcome back to another episode of the Money Codes. Let's break down some insider tips on how to potentially access a 0% APR offer for 12 months with your Discover credit card. This is a big deal for your finances if you're someone who's about to make a large purchase. This can save you tons of money, so now let's talk about it. So now Discover periodically offers special promotions to their cardholders who simply ask, right? So closed mouths don't get fed. This is a little known strategy, but proven effective by numerous account holders over the years. And if you guys remember, I actually did a video about this about a year ago covering the same promo. These type of promos, they pop up every so often. So when you see it come up, always make sure to try to reach out. You never know if you're going to get approved or not. Discover seems to have something like this every so often. And even if you're not a Discover cardholder, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually reach out to your credit card issuer and try to get a similar deal. But I'm going to save that for the end. Past promotions have included perks like 2% or even 3% cashback bonuses for several months and significant APR discounts. But today, as I'm recording this, April, I don't even know what today's date is. I'm recording this April 15th. But today we're focusing on their current promo, which is a 0% APR for 12 months on new purchases, right? Again, keyword, this is 0% 12 months on new purchases. This is not balance transfers or anything else, simply new purchases only, which is still an incredible deal. And yes, multiple people have already confirmed this offer just by using Discover's chat feature to inquire about any available promotions. So now how can you check to see if you're eligible? So to see if you're eligible, simply log into your Discover account and initiate a chat with customer service. Ask if there are any special offers or promotions that you can take advantage of. And that's it. That's all I want you to do. There's no promo codes. There's no secret links. It's literally you just going to the Discover portal, opening up a chat window, and just asking, hey, is there any promotional offers right now that I qualify for? Many cardholders have already been surprised to find that they do qualify for these offers. Ryan commented, thanks for the heads up, got 0% APR until April 2025 after messaging a rep. Another cardholder, Steve, snagged this deal via chat, stating it's about time Discover showed me some love. So guys, if you are a Discover cardholder, give it a shot. See if you can qualify for that 0% APR deal. It could be the perfect way to ease your financial burden this year. If you don't try it out, there's no way to know whether or not you can get approved for this. And by the way, there's not going to be a hard inquiry just by you asking. So this is what I want you guys to do anyway. And for you guys that aren't a cardholder with Discover, let's say you're with another credit card issuer, I want you to do this anyway. About a year and a half ago, I told you guys about something called retention offers. A retention offer is simply an offer a credit card issuer will extend to you to try to make sure to keep you as a credit card customer. The only thing I want you guys to do is pick up the phone, go into the chat box, whichever way you want to do it. Can you tell me if I qualify for any sort of promotional offer? And just see what they say. Sometimes you may get a cashback or a points offer for an extended period of time. The only way that you're going to know for sure is if you pick up the phone or if you log into your account and ask. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to figure that out. Another thing, because this is a 0% purchase offer, I want you guys to be mindful of if you have a personal credit card, and even if you get a 0% offer, yes, you're going to save money on the interest by tapping into the 0% APR offer. That is true. However, you still got to keep in mind about your balances, right? Your utilization is always going to impact you whether or not you have a 0% APR offer or if your APR is 35%. I want you guys to take advantage of these 0% offers because if you time it right, if you have a big purchase, you can definitely save some money, but always keep in the back of your head, if you max out your credit cards trying to take advantage of these 0% APR cards, you may and you will likely drop your credit score if you keep that credit card maxed out. So for these type of deals, we always like them better on a business credit card that doesn't report to the bureaus. But again, everybody's situation is different. There's still tons of ways where you can benefit from a 0% offer for 12 months. So guys, go down in the comments, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. And just like how we did last year, if you did reach out to Discover and you actually got the 0% offer, go down in the comments and let me know that it actually went through. And aside from that, guys, I'm going to check you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace.